Welcome back. It's Chris from the Hagon Factory. There's been plenty going on this week. Been working on the 500 Velo to get that off the bench so we can put the 350 on. As soon as I get the 350 on, which hopefully is today on the bench, we'll start putting the engine and gearbox in and we'll get some footage of that. There'll be more of that next week. I went out to Llanelli to the swap meet this morning, got up early, got up before the sun, went and had a look, but I'll show you a bit of footage on that. And the Hagon Factory ended up with another bike, so we'll show you footage of that as well. So let's get on with it. Just a quick reminder for everybody to get their entries in for Shannon Classic Bike for Easter. Dirt track event, make sure you're there. So the bike we ended up with was something that Dad always wanted when he was a young bloke, and he saw it there yesterday actually, and he rang me yesterday and he said I better come out and pick this thing up for him. So we went out and got it. Fantastic bike, looks really good, pretty original old thing. We'll just give it a good clean up. We won't go over the top. We're not going to restore it or anything because we will use it. It'll be set up for flat track. We'll just try and find a front guard for it, the original front guard, and a number plate, and just give it a really good scrub, and we'll go through the motor at some stage, I'd imagine, but it's got plenty of compression. Haven't checked for spark yet, but we'll do that. So let's have a look at that now. Righto, as you can see from the photos, the bike's a 1971 Montesa Rickman. It's a good looking bike, as you can see, but we'll keep you in the loop with that. There'll be more footage. We'll set it up for dirt track. Dad's really keen to have a ride on it, so we'll definitely get it up and running soon. Righto, same as every other week. If you like what you see, like, subscribe, tell your friends. Let's bring Hagon's back. Let's do it. Thanks.